Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Jamaican music pioneer Millie has died. The My Boy Lollipop singer passed away in England yesterday after suffering a stroke. She was 73 years old. Millie is revered for taking the Jamaican music genre ska worldwide, as My Boy Lollipop remains one of the biggest selling ska songs of all time, rocketing up the US and UK pop charts back in 1964 and racking up more than 7 million in sales. My Boy Lollipop is recognized as the first million-selling song by a Jamaican. TVJ puts reggae and dancehall on the map with fresh and clean playlists. Grammy-nominated artist TVJ gave reggae and dancehall music a global audience over the weekend, premiering music from local artists featuring his fresh and clean playlist, curated for music streaming site Spotify. Via his Instagram Live, TVJ debuted unreleased music from acts including Chronics with his track Woggle Dance, Lila Ike's song Stars Align, tessellated with Sweeter Mamacita, Royal Blue with Pretty Girls, and Jazzalese with a fresh and clean remix featuring Governor. TVJ also premiered his track Self-Defense.
You want your dirty brethren, them keep up atrocity. When we retaliate, we not go use apology. We sisters under attack, this a calamity.
TVJ and his label mates Lila Ike and Savannah recently signed a record deal with RCA Records and 6 Scores. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.